Hey the YouTube, Ghost Jake here with you today. How you doing today? Today I'm here to do another food review. And don't worry about my TV show reviews and my movie reviews. I'm almost caught up with everything. So I foresee them coming back in at least 2 weeks. But like I said, we're here doing a food review. I went and got pizza today for my takeout. I got Little Caesars. And there it is. And they got breadsticks as well. Now let's go to the bedroom or the kitchen or wherever, to the table and eat and do this review. And there it is, the Little Caesars with my breadsticks. Right there. I just pretty much got their version of meat lovers in a thing of breadsticks. Let's grab one of their breadsticks and give that a try. So what do you guys think? How's that breadstick looking? I think it's looking good to me. What about to you guys? Okay, let's go in for a bite and see. Solid. The breadsticks are really solid. I've had the breadsticks before. Pretty good still. But it has been a while. Let's see if I can open. Damn it. Let's see if I can open this. I don't think I can get it with one hand. There you go. Just had to switch hands, obviously, apparently. The marinara sauce. Grab the breadstick that I took a bite of. Dip it in that marinara sauce. Look at that. It seems pretty thick. Looking at it on there, pretty thick to me. Take a bite of this. Breadstick on its own, I would say probably between a 3 and a 3.5. Breadstick with the marinara sauce then bumps it up to like a 4. Now let's try one bite of the pizza. These are pretty solid pieces. You don't even really have to fold them or anything. Right. Now the pizza itself, that's a 4 all day. 4 out of 5. No question about it. What would you say you guys' favorite fast food pizza is? Fast food pizza, I think, like cheaper pizza, so like Domino's, Pizza Hut, and Little Caesars. I would say it's pretty close for me. It's pretty close between Domino's and Little Caesars. I mean, Pizza Hut's there, but I used to have Pizza Hut a lot, and I kind of got burnt out on it, so I don't know if I'm still really burnt out on it or not. It's been a while since I've had it. But in the past, I got kind of burnt out on Pizza Hut. So, there's that. Let's try it in the marinara sauce. Normally I would put ranch. I have ranch with my pizza, not marinara sauce. But let's give it a shot and see. Now with the marinara sauce, it's obviously not as good as having it with ranch. That's just me. So I would say it doesn't boost the rating, it still stays a 4. So the overall rating of Pizza Hut today is a 4 out of 5. But if I was rating it out of 10, it would only be like a 6 or a 7. It wouldn't be a 9. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed another food review. It seems I've been doing a lot of them. But I haven't done Little Caesars yet, so. Anyways, guys, this is Ghost Jakes signing off. I shall see you guys when I bring my TV show reviews back. Excuse me. I might do another food review on Friday because we have to take a lot of our food to go right now. But that's undecided as of this moment of this recording. Anyway, guys, this is Ghost Jake signing off. Have a wonderful day or night, depending where you are in the world. I shall see you guys later. Bye.